Hi everyone, I'm Angus and I'm here to give you an unboxing of the Techtron Elite 3500 and we have the yellow version here. So in the previous video we unboxed the Techtron Ultra 5000 in red and I recommend checking out that video. We'll also include a link in the description. So the Elite 3500 is a slightly different model and we'll be exploring that in this unboxing. So taking a look at the packaging, we have a nice big image on the front. The packaging is very similar to the Ultra 5000. We have features on the right, including a 30km traveling distance, and we have the specs here for the motor, which is 350 watts. So let's get the packaging open. So what I recommend you do is flip it up and then open the top. So once we open the packaging, we have the scooter itself with some polystyrene. So here we can see the packaging and we've got some polystyrene to protect it. It might be easier for you to get another person to help you, and I recommend lying it flat on its side so then you can pull it out towards you. So grab the standpipe and then pull it out very carefully. And then take off this polystyrene. Even this scooter is a bit of a beast. So what I recommend doing next is taking all the packaging off, including the polystyrene. And then what we'll do next is connect the handlebar to the standpipe. Okay, so luckily it's a little bit easier to connect this because it's already connected. Okay, so the next thing to do is lay the scooter flat on a surface and then get this box that's included, and that'll have all the accessories, including the power adapter. So there is the AC power adapter, and there is the plug, and I recommend putting that to the side. There's the instruction manual, and here are the screws. So take the Allen keys out, then take the screws out. And what you need to do next is connect this. So when you're putting the handlebar on, make sure that the light is facing outwards, like this. And then to put the handlebar into the standpipe, give it a wiggle and it should slot in. And then get the Allen key, have a feel for which one it fits. So this one fits fine. So once you've screwed that in, you can stand it up. And use the built-in stand. So fold it all the way to the top. And then take this lever and then push it and you should hear a click. And that should be nice and sturdy. And then your scooter is ready to go. So there is an unboxing of the Techtron Elite 3500. It's available in 5 colors and you can find all of them on our website, techtron.co. And if you want to stay up to date with all of our latest videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.